In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off predictive text. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Then click on Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Samsung Keyboard. Lastly, after tapping on Smart Typing, use this switcher next to Predictive Text to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!